Hi, my name is Tech, and today we're going to review the Rowenta DG5030 Pro Iron Steam Station. This is actually a little older unit, which it makes it nice because the price tag is around 160 bucks. We have done extensive testing on within this iron, and we definitely like it. And especially that the new one came out and the price dropped. This is definitely a nice iron to have in your house. There are a lot of great features, and there are a few things we didn't like about it, so we'll talk about it. Let's go on regarding the features. So it has the stainless steel sole plate, which is nice. That over time, even we use the iron about 3 hours a day, every day for a year. So it's still pretty clean, as you can tell. Light scratches, because from the materials. That we somehow zip or something scratched it, but overall it's still pretty clean and it's pretty sturdy. So there's a key features on this one. It does take a lot of power to heat up the tank inside. It's a 1750 watts consumption, so it definitely takes a lot of power. It has a 33 ounce water tank that provides about an hour and a half of continuous steaming. Another cool thing about it is, of course, it has 6 foot long cords, so that way you can actually put the steam iron somewhere on the whole base on the side somewhere and actually use the steam iron. And of course, really long power cable, which is 12 feet long. Another thing is, it has a quick on-off switch, temperature gauge, so you can decide how hot you want the steam to be, and of course you can adjust the how fast the steam is coming out. And of course it has a button which is really light, and you press it and the steam comes out. I will turn it on in a second because it takes about 20 minutes to half an hour to warm up. So of course you put it inside. This is the tank, so you would unscrew it here. It comes with this funnel. And of course, like all Rowenta irons, or even every iron, you should use distilled water, because otherwise the iron and all the other minerals that are in the water sometimes clog up, and then once in a while you will start spitting up dirt. So always use distilled water in any iron you're using for steam. Alright, so let's turn it on and we'll test it out. Alright, it's been around 25 minutes, so we let the iron actually fully warm up. You can tell that it's ready by the light indicator on the iron itself. It went out, no longer lit. And same thing here next to the steam icon, there's a light that went out. That means the iron is fully ready. We have it cranked up pretty much all the way. So let's go. This is the trigger right on the iron, and here goes the steam. Hopefully you can see it. So it's pretty powerful. It's 1800 watts of power pretty much. So you can steam out floating vertically or even up. It actually pushes steam really well. It makes your job a lot easier if you want to iron out clothing, because it pushes with the steam as well. It makes your job a lot faster. And of course, the power of the steam is really powerful. Overall, we're really satisfied with this iron, and I think everybody should get one, especially with the prices not really that greater than regular iron. Overall, we definitely love this iron. We definitely love the gauge for temperature. We love the switch that makes it convenient, so you don't have to unplug it from the wall every single time. The only thing we didn't like as much, but of course it's not a killer, the tank itself holds 33 ounces of water, so it'll last you about an hour to an hour and a half of continuous steam, which is quite a lot. If you're extremely heavy user, however, you're gonna run out of water, or if you've been ironing throughout the day. If that happens and you run out of water, of course, the disadvantage here is that you would have to turn it off, wait for the iron to cool off, so you can actually add water, which is a little disadvantage there. But overall, it gives you over an hour of full steam at continuous usage. So definitely not a bus killer, but one thing that the new iron came out is took advantage of that situation and actually fixed it. So in my next video I'll show you the Rowenta DG5030, which actually fixed that issue. However, there's some disadvantage with the iron as well. So check out my other videos and I'll try to compare those two against each other. Thank you for watching.